If you don't have sales, you're at a higher price. Amazon doesn't have any reason to reward you, and consumer has no reason to buy it. What Amazon problem can I help you with?
We have a challenge with growing the sales for one client because we're down with one product remaining. So the other product we decided to discontinue with the client's approval because it really have like a low net profit. We're only down to one product to really depend on the sell-through rate for this item. And then we also had challenges with the Ecos and Tacos. Their goal for Ecos is at 40% and the Tacos goal is at 20%. We already launched and tested some new campaigns. We're still struggling with Ecos and Tacos.
What are they on retainer for right now? PPC only or full service, no design?
Full service, no design.
Is PPC where we're struggling to generate the traffic?
We do have enough traffic, but when I check the competitors, they really have low pricing as well. Pricing that we're at is at 41.99, but there are other competitors pricing at $30.
Pricing is something I find myself talking to every single brand manager about right now, and it's because it is a huge topic. If you don't have sales, you're at a higher price. Amazon doesn't have any reason to reward you, and consumer has no reason to buy it. Your product's in a stronger position than most that I've looked at even today. Let's look at the pricing history. Scroll down. You should have the Helium 10 bar chart that should show up there. You have a different extension overriding the Helium one, I think, but same idea. Show me the price line.
53.99, then we suggested the sale price to the client. That's why we got a little bit more traction.
You're doing the right thing. You're just doing it a little bit modestly. So what I would suggest is pitch him a Prime Day sale at like 24.99 and just say, "Hey, we're going to run this for 48 hours. The reason you'll want to do this is because the day after, you'll see higher sales than the day before. If you normally sell 10 units a day, you run this sale, you'll blow through like 50 or 100 units. And then after the sale, instead of it being 10 a day, it'll be 15 or 20 a day. That's cheaper than trying to go blow it on PPC. Even just changing your price, Amazon rewards that behavior. Not sure if they'll go for such an aggressive, suggestion, but you can pitch it and say, "Hey, it's a Prime Day sale. We recommend it in your case. We don't recommend this to everybody." I talked to Stephen Pope. He said yours is a great case for doing it because you have some traction and you just need a temporary jolt. And then post jolt, you should see some additional traction.